Literacy in Pakistan. More comparisons. Now let us look at the 2014 Economic Survey report and look at the comparison made over there. अब आपके इकोनॉमिक सर्वे पाकिस्तान में जितने भी कंपैरिजन्स हैं वो सारे क्वांटिटेटिव रिसर्च के बेस्ड हैं और उसमें आपके मुख्तलिफ किस्म के फिगर्स आते हैं. So there are different types of comparisons that you come across in this report and other reports that follow. Of course, 2015 की भी आ गई होगी अब तो. अब ये one comparison is you look across provinces and you see the differences. The other comparison is you look across rural areas and urban areas and see the literacy difference. The third comparison is you can look at gender-based differences. But there is another way that you can look at differences or you can compare across time. और आप देखते हो कि पिछले सालों से और अब के साल में क्या difference आया और आपने क्या progress की है. So looking at this, it tells you that the number of enrollments has increased from 38.5 million to 40.1 million. That means there is an increase of 4.2%. Then there is a 1.7% increase in the number of educational institutions that have come up. Then there is an increase of 2.1% in the teachers that have come that have been employed by the government. Then you see that the report also reports talks about the increase in enrollment. So there is 1.1% preschool enrollment, 3.38% in primary school enrollment that has increased, 6.74% middle school में आपकी enrollment बढ़ी है और 4.56% आपकी secondary school education में बढ़ी है. इस comparison से आपको ये पता चल जाता है कि whether we are doing better or worse in relation to your last year or previous years. Similarly, आप देखेंगे कि higher secondary education में there has been an increase in enrollments by 8.40%. So what we can see over here that how critical at times is your quantitative data, especially for your policymakers, to see how they stand. And no matter how much your qualitative studies might be rich, unless there are numbers attached to things, it is very hard to see how you are going. और in any case, आपकी qualitative research का ये मकसद भी नहीं होता कि वो आपको एक इस तरह के numbers देखे और आपको इस किस्म का comparison करे. So the purpose of your qualitative research is to look at the socio-cultural factors that are affecting the literacy thing and why things are failing or not. Quantitative analysis का ये quantitative approach जब आप लेंगे या फिर आप देखेंगे research ढूंढेंगे तो वो सिर्फ आपको ये बताएगी क्या extent है चीज़ों का और वो बेहतर हो रही हैं कि ख़राब हो रही हैं क्योंकि they are looking at numbers and these numbers are critical for policymakers. But having said that, this does not mean that qualitative research is not of use. Qualitative research से आपको जो internal issues पता चलते हैं वो आपको quantitative research से बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता चलते. तो for any research, including the literacy research, the mixed methods research, ढूंढनी और पढ़नी is very, very important.